In UModeler X, you can easily and quickly establish a character's basic silhouette using the mirror tool and push tool. By simply duplicating the body mesh and inflating it with the push tool, you can instantly create a base for clothing. And by using the mirror tool, symmetrical structures are generated automatically, allowing you to intuitively rotate the character and naturally define your design direction. The Select and Separate tool in UModeler X has a precise understanding of the mesh hierarchy, allowing you to cleanly separate only the parts you need with just a few clicks. It lets you detach even complex structures with ease, making it highly optimized for deformation workflows. Normally, UV work is tedious and time-consuming, but in UModeler X it's much simpler. With the UV Color Palette tool, you can just select a model and move it to the desired color in the editor window, and the color is applied instantly. This allows you to handle UV unwrapping and painting at the same time, greatly improving workflow efficiency. In UModeler X, you can create not only color palettes but also entirely new materials directly inside Unity. This time, let's draw the character's eyes. After adding a paint layer, you can freely paint the desired shapes with a brush, and they are applied instantly. Thanks to this intuitive painting workflow, adding detailed touches becomes incredibly easy. Rigging in UModeler X is extremely simple. Since a human bone preset is provided, you can complete the basic setup by assigning the data range to the designated naming slots. After that, all you need to do is check whether the joints move naturally through weight adjustments. Being able to start rigging right away without any complex setup process is a major advantage. Now, let's create an animation using UMotion. Once you place the animator into the Select a Game Object to Animate window at the top right, the bone structure is visualized, allowing you to start animating right away. Thanks to its intuitive UI, UMotion is easy to get used to even for first-time users. Let's turn on mirror editing and then activate the animation. UMotion offers users convenience and a fast workflow. With the mirror editing feature, you only need to animate one side and the opposite side automatically follows, greatly speeding up the animation process. We've now completed a simple animation. UMotion can export and import data as FBX, making it highly compatible with various tools. Thanks to this, you can build a fast and flexible animation pipeline. All of these tasks can be done entirely within Unity. Streamline your overall workflow and build a faster, more efficient game development pipeline. Thank you for watching.